In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends system error crash dump. Now the first thing you want to do is come here and search for Task Manager, go to Details, in here first press Anywhere and press L, make sure you sort by the name, then you want to look for League of Legends. If it's open you want to end the task, then press Anywhere again and press R, look for any Riot games or Riot services. If you have any open you want to end the task. After that, what you want to do is search for League of Legends, right click, open file location, and then do the same, and this will take you to the Riot folder. You want to go back once to Riot Games, go to League of Legends, find config and logs, and you want to delete these two folders. Don't worry, it's going to regenerate itself when we open the game. These are just crash folders and stuff, so we want to delete these, and once we've deleted those, you want to search for firewall. Come in here, allow an app or feature, change settings, allow another app, and then you just want to go to the League of Legends folder again, right here, the same place where you deleted these, and you want to find your League of Legends.exe. So come up here, Control C, browse, come up here, Control V, press enter, add the League client, like this, add, and there should be League of Legends right here. You can also, from in here, go to the game folder, and inside game there will be another one. So copy this one, allow, browse, paste, enter, and add this one as well. Once you've added both of these, you want to make sure that both of these are ticked, and all of these are ticked as well. So all three should be ticked on each one. Once you've done that, press OK, close it down, restart your PC, and now it should work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.